This is my favorite 90-90 variation for really teaching that heel heavy and knee going forward past the toes. So this translates to a lunge when we're standing more upright and we want to go into that lunge and we want that knee to go over the toes, but keeping the heel heavy, which is allowing us to maintain that big toe contact, allowing us to translate and go through a pronation. So sometimes we live in these supinated feet. We're kind of rolling to the outsides of the feet. So we want to maintain that first met head contact as the knee goes forward, but we're maintaining that heel heavy sensation. That is going to allow us to access pronation. You're going to feel your glutes more. It's just going to feel overall really good. So we're setting up on the wall in that 90-90 position. You're going to want to place a kind of rolled up mini band underneath that first met head right there. So I'm setting up in that 90-90 position. I'm going to work the right side so you can see it. The lower on the wall I am, you can see that my knee is in front of my ankle, and that's going to get that knees over toes position, but in that more glute bridge 90-90 position. So I'm going to place the mini band underneath that first met head, which is going to allow us to maintain that first met head contact and help facilitate that pronation. So as I go through, I'm going to think about exhaling and coming up and allowing that movement to come from the hamstring. So we don't want that low back. So I'm thinking about my pelvis almost scooping underneath me. Exhale to come up. And then inhale, I'm dragging my heels down the wall as they come down, but keeping the pelvis elevated slightly. Exhale, and inhale, drag down the wall. Exhale, knee goes forward, but the heel stays heavy. Inhale down. And if you're not feeling like you're getting that sensation, you can bring your leg down a little bit more to make that knee over toe just a tiny bit more apparent. So keeping that mini band underneath the first met head, still in that 90-90 position. Exhale, come up, and you'll see my knee in front of the ankle. Inhale down, pull down on the heels. Exhale up, and inhale down. So this is your 90-90 bridge with that knees over toes, which mimics what we're doing in that lunge position, keeping the heel heavy and secured on the wall. Inhale down, pull down on the heels. Exhale, inhale.